Hey everybody, Larry Janeski here with your Raindrop Minute. You know, I've been a contractor since I was 17 years old, 56 now, yeah, that's a lot of years. Done a lot of things. I used to frame houses, written training manuals and led teams, and my own company installs here in my state over $30 million worth of home improvements every year. And I can tell you this, RainDrop Gutter Guard is about the easiest, cleanest kind of product that you can install, isn't it? You don't need very many tools. You don't really get in the weeds with a project. It's really straightforward. And here's another excerpt from our installation video. For the end, measure the appropriate length you need to cut. Most gable end gutters extend past the rake line, so you want to cut about 2 inches off the flange and bend it downward to seal off the back little overhang on the gutter. Slide it underneath the roof, put the guard in place. That little flap will keep out small birds and squirrels or anything that wants to get in the gutter. Scribe your lines where you need to cut off the excess material. Using a pair of tin snips, cut off the material, set the end cap inside the gutter, but on top of the guard, and secure it with 2 fasteners, which will go through the end cap and into the guard, which will hold it in place. Now the system is closed off from any birds or squirrels that want to get inside the gutter. You can get RainDrop Gutter Guard at your local distributor, and if you can't, give us a call and we'll get it to you. That's your RainDrop Minute. See you soon.